Yo, what's good everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So ito po ay from Morissette. Narong spelling pa yung Morissette na kulang ng isang S. So wait lang, dagdagan po natin ng isang S. Ayan. So ito po ay from Morissette and Jonalyn Veray. Okay, Miss Jonalyn. Gusto ko nang bumitaw live in Milan. So ito po yung isa sa kanilang production number, Do It, no? Noong nagpunta sila sa Milan. And shoutout nga pala kay Miss Jonalyn. Grabe yung Phantom of the Opera ba yun? Yung kinanta niya together with this Filipino singer na based sa Europa. So grabe yun. I posted the whole segment ng reaction video and it mind blown talaga, mind blown. Ang galing ni Miss Jonalyn doon. So ito naman ay pakinggan natin si Morissette and Jonah for Gusto Ko Nang Bumita. So ito, biritan to, I'm pretty sure. And make sure naka-follow kayo sa aking Facebook page and Instagram because I post updates and vlogs and reaction videos there as well. So yeah, consider following me on my social media accounts. Okay, so let's begin. Let's go. Para sila mga Disney princess. Ganda na suot nila. Nice harmonization. Ooh. Vocal breaks, oh. Ooh. Si Kuya sa likod, oh. Napapatulala. Ito. Woo! Woo! Nice. May keychain siya, di ba? Grabe. Woo! Nakaka-goosebumps. What? Grabe. Grabe naman yon. Grabe naman yon. Last time, nag-react ako sa Lason Mong Halik ni Miss Jonah at saka ni Miss Katrina Velarde. Nagduet sila sa ASAP din. And I was really impressed kasi it was my first time na nakita kong or narinig kong nagduet si Miss Katrina Velarde and Miss Jonalyn Veray. I was really impressed, no? Kasi parehas sila no? Low-key bardagulan yung nangyari, pero hindi intended na magbardagulan, no? Walang intention doon. Pero the song itself, no, it brings out the powerful voice within you. Kaya mapapabardagulan ka talaga. Ito naman, I think nakita ko naman or narinig ko na si Morissette Jonel, pero hindi yun duet apat ata yun sila, no? May kinanta sila something, if I'm not mistaken, if my memory serves me right, hindi yun duet. But this is still the first time na nakita ko o narinig sila mag-duet silang dalawa. And I am very thrilled and impressed. Nakipagsabayan si Miss Jonalyn kay Morissette. And if I'm not mistaken as well, no, medyo younger itong si Morissette kay Miss Jonah. So, if we compare sa age nila, so I think na Miss Jonalyn really did well na makipagsabayan kay Morissette. Kasi alam naman natin no, age is a big factor, lalo na pag biritera ka. And I think this is a proof na Miss Jonalyn Veray still got the voice, no, na nagpasikat talaga sa kanya, and that made her win a singing competition. If I'm not mistaken, that was Search for a Star, no? Ano nga dun si Miss Regine yung host, ha. Bata pa kasi ako noon, high school or elementary, so hindi ko na masyado. Basta nanalo to si Miss Jonalyn. And I am very, very, very impressed. Galing. Kaya hindi na ako nag-pause wala na akong pause. Diretso na tayo sa pakikinig, no? And I think that's it. And I hope you guys enjoy that one as much as I enjoyed it. And peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.